last year I took anatomy and I had like a flair for medical, and then I was talking to my counselor and she brought it to my attention that there was an EMT program from Triton.
I applied for the program because I wanted to add some things to my resume and maybe also figure out what I wanted to do after high school. It's 2 days a week at 6 to 10, and we basically just learn about common diseases that you might see in patients and scope of practice and standard of care for EMTs that you'd learn if you wanted to work at a firehouse or a hospital.
It's interesting to see all the different laws and like procedures people have to go through to actually give healthcare to someone. It's not as simple as you just take the guy in the stretcher and take him to the ambulance.
You're also learning how to basically assess a patient, is just not going straight into it and treating them. You need to learn each step on how to do it. I feel that's one of the big takeaways on learning different respect for different people and learning how to talk with other individuals.
At the end of the program, an EMT certification, which basically grants me the ability to work as an EMT at a firehouse in any district in Illinois and work on an ambulance.
I thought it'd be cool to jumpstart, because I'm thinking about getting into kinesiology in college, so I thought it'd kind of line up with my goals a little bit.
Well, after high school, I'm thinking about being an engineer, and having first aid background could help me if anyone got injured anywhere I'm out, or if I got injured, and it also helps me keep myself healthy.
There's a lot of great opportunities from the program, such as being a private or a firefighter EMT.
Well, I think it's really important for everyone to learn first aid. In the event that anyone gets hurt, someone's there to help, and you'd feel better about yourself, I bet, if you saved a life.